This is Ritesh from Dancing with Data क्योंकि data ही data है. So what I for you today, we are going to talk about two features of Tableau: Ask Data and Explain Data. So these features have been already there, but what is new with respect to 2021.2? So let's go to the page of Tableau itself and we'll try to explore the same, right? So you can see Tableau 2021.2 Ask Data and Explain Data for viewers. That means now it is available for everyone. Even a viewer can take advantage of these two exciting features: Ask Data and Explain Data. So this is a huge change with respect to the licensing of Tableau. Not only that, we have completely redefined natural language experience for business users, including seamless integration into dashboards with a new dashboard button. So if you can see on the left hand side, can you see over there under objects, now you have Ask Data as well. Now how we can integrate? What is the new addition? That is something called as Lens. I'll give you a short demo, because if you see over there, they say that a new content type Ask Data Lenses makes it easy to curate data with definition of column and value synonyms. So you can define your number of columns, you can give synonyms as well over there, right? How? Let us see, right? So let me go to the dashboard. Also, keep in mind that right, you have to keep in mind that you should be logged into to the Tableau server or online, Tableau online. So I have logged into Tableau online, right? It won't work at Tableau public, even that is a server. So let's go. Right now I have logged into Tableau online, as you can see over there. So this is the server, and right now I've opened my dashboard, right? So I've opened this at Tableau online server. So this is my dashboard. This is a default dashboard that you would have seen with the licensed version of Tableau. And now I want to make use of Ask Data and how to integrate that to my dashboard. So you can see this object. I double click on this Ask Data, and now it will ask me to choose my lens. First of all, how to create a lens and what is the relevance of this lens, right? So you would have different departments over there, right? HR department, manufacturer department. So I'll create a lens with respect to that department, so that anyone can from that department can choose his or her respective lens, right? So in that lens we can have relevant columns that is more relevant to my department, or I can have choose my own alias as well. I can show you, right? Here we go. So I have gone to the data source, new what I want to create. I want to create a new lens with respect to the sales commission data source. Under the project, I says sales commission, and I say manufacturing department, say okay. And this is, I can say that this lens for, okay, that's it. And I say publish lens. Now the lens is published. Now if I go back to my dashboard, right? If I go back to my dashboard, if I create a new dashboard, because I need to refresh the Ask Data, and if I just go back, now you will see the new lens over there. So I can use this lens. Come on. Okay. Now I can make certain changes over there. For example, I can say that, okay, I don't want you, if I don't want, say, rank over, so I can just submit that. I can pick my columns at relevant columns over there. So that you can do. Not only that, sometimes you have a different synonym, right? Salesman with respect to salesperson, right? So if you have something, if, right, say your manager, he won't know the field name salesperson. For him, he is more accustomed to salesman, so he'll come over here and he can put salesman over there. So this would be helpful for anyone from your department who is coming and querying with respect to salesman. For example, I say salesman with highest Sales, right? So internally it has taken salesperson, right? It is intelligent enough to know that because you have made that intelligent, right? Now I filter to central in region, right? Fast, right? Fast like anything. I got my answer that John Jones is the salesman or salesperson with respect to the central region. He is the one who is getting the maximum sales. So this is as simple, right? So if you are a viewer, you can just go ahead and can try the same, right? And the other thing, we are not done yet. So what about the other one? Explain data for viewers. Again, this has been open to viewers. That's the same story. Explain data makes it easier for anyone to explore and interact with data. When you select a mark and run explain data, Tableau proposes possible explanation for that mark based on statistical models. Explain data gives you a jumping off point to help you explore data more deeply and ask better questions. So now you are in a position to ask better question, and you know what you say, that outlier at box plot, right? That you can see over there. Not only will see, and it will try to explain certain scenarios that will promote you to ask better questions, that will encourage you to ask better questions actually. So let us see how we can do that. I will again go back to my dashboard. Now I'll go to the customer side and I can see within this customer's dashboard or product, let me go to the product. So I can see this is sales and profit by product names, and there is one outlier sort of thing. So I'll try to click on that and I say please explain about this very particular point, which is under furniture and consumer. And on the right hand say, now it is showing you that contributing to the value of profit, sales. So let us talk about the profit, about this very particular point. Now 561 minus 561 is lower than expected. Okay, this is my minus 561. Now why this is so low? So there is one extreme value, 631. The explained mark is made of six records. One record with an extreme value is decreasing the sum of profit. So there is one extreme value over there, and it has highlighted the same. Not only that, you can see all the different fields related to this very particular extreme field. This is with respect to category: furniture, city, United States, customer, discount, and the order ID. Of course, it is unprofitable, but you can see you can go to those very off points, the extreme points, and the explain data will try to explain that why this is at the extreme corner. So isn't it exciting? So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and use these two new features even if you are viewers. And not only that, try to embed the ask data to your dashboard itself and see what you can get out of it. With these two new features, with these two new additions, you should expect the unexpected. So this is Ritesh signing off from Dancing with Data, क्योंकि डेटा ही दाता है, क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है?